Hi, my name's Dave. I had an issue a while back. I've got a 2 terabyte drive that unfortunately somehow I managed to erase all of the data that it took me years to acquire. I tried several methods, including looking online to try to find out how I might recover that. I do have data recovery and backup systems here, but for some reason or another, it just didn't work. And the data was quite important. So I took a look online to find out if there was a software solution that might help me out. And I found Stellar Data Recovery. I thought I would give it a shot. And so I bought the software and I tried it and I was amazed. It worked perfect. I recovered all of the data that I had lost without any difficulty whatsoever, and I found that the program was quite intuitive. It easy to follow, and did the work as it was expected to do. And when I actually looked back and found that I had recovered all the data, I was so impressed that I just wanted to let you know that in fact this software does exactly what it says it's going to do. It's exceptionally good. Definitely recommend it. It was every bit as good as I'm saying, and it did save me a lot of trouble and certainly a lot of grief to try to find some other way to recover this. It probably would have been lucky to get any part of it back at all without this software. So I recommend it very highly. Thank you.